You can't get the fuel pump to come on, and you're looking for the location for the fuel pump relay. Did I hear that correctly?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay. Yes. All right. Have we checked the fuses and the fusible links?
We checked the fuses, but the problem with the diagram of the fuses are when we have the cars on the right one, and online you can see the fuse panels on the passenger side, and it's not, it's on the driver's side.
Okay.
So I don't think we have the right diagram.
Okay.
And it also says that the fuel pump fuse is also with the back. It's a double fuse with the back capacitor.
Well, I pulled up a wiring diagram for the fuel pump circuit on my end. Fuse number 11 in the junction block, which is going to be inside the vehicle, that powers up your fuel pump relay and your fuel pump control module, which then in turn powers up your fuel pump.
So that's number 11?
Yes, sir.
Which fuse is number 1?
Let's take a look here, see if I can get you a diagram. The cover doesn't say which fuses are which.
I do, but the wrong one, the wrong cover.
So the fuel pump relay, just a heads up, behind right kick panel. And you have a fusible link in the engine compartment relay box that powers up your multi-port fuel injection relay. Yeah, that's right. These things had a lot of fusible links that are easy to overlook.
Number 11, you say that's the second row, middle one, I guess.
It's a 10 amp fuse. You could just check all the 10 amp fuses. You check all the fuses in there.
I'm missing one in that one spot, so I'm wondering if that's...
Oh, okay. I found a picture of the junction block. So there's a row of 4 fuses, 8, 9, 10, and 11 from the left to the right.
Okay.
So number 10 is going to be the second from the right.
11 is what I want, right?
Let me go back to that diagram. Yes, I'm sorry. It's a 10 amp. I got confused. It's number 11. That is correct. So it's going to be all the way over on the lower right-hand side. Did you check for codes in the computer?
I did, but the battery's been out for a while, so it's not really helpful.
But the computer communicates, right?
Yeah, it just communicates. Because the crankshaft sensor error, but so should start with that error.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. What I can do is I can let you work on that, and if you want, you can reply back online and let me know what you find.
That'd be great. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome, my friend. Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.